places like Delhi are like polluted to such an extent that it is so extreme that 7 million people die yearly due to pollution. 7 million, and that is not a small number. And these these will not decrease. These deaths will not decrease if we do not address the situation right now.
So we have come up with a machine of the future, a fabulous contraption known as the dronifier.
So the dronifier, it basically detects the air pollution and areas which are high in pollution levels. It also filters the air, and so the pollutants in the air, the harmful gases, they are collected, and the air is filtered, and so. And there's also an app via which, so if there's an area where you're going and it's very polluted, so it will warn you. And this is government based, so if there is some kind of gas attack or something on a large extent, it can also be prevented by evacuating people.
So, if this is implemented, it could save millions of lives and disease. And through your investment, you can ensure the safety of your near and dear ones.